Everybody laughs, everybody cries, everyone has feelings on the inside. Everywhere you go, everything you do, feelings are a special part of you. Are you sad or mad or silly and glad? Find a friend and tell them how you feel. Are you scared or shy or bursting with pride? Share the news, that's what